and send a strong message to the judiciary that this type of judicial misconduct will not be tolerated, the court stated. And referring to the board's assessment, is there's often a panel or a board that oversees ethics for attorneys and for judges. And so presumably this matter was referred to the board. The board came to the finding that said we recommend a year suspension. And
turning left, no left turn allowed.
Of those recommendations by the board in many states are then reviewed by the Supreme Court of that state. So
I can't see.
Judge Rep was also required to pay the cost of these proceedings. One of the rare examples.
Expired paper plate 916 of 21.
The participant Mercedes in January of this year, which cost him about $360 for the battery and $150 to install. You know, the last time a battery went bad in my old Explorer, I've got an 02 Ford Explorer. I've got a new one also, but the old one.
Are we going to go, or are we going to sit here all fucking day again?
Start my Explorer. I think the battery's bad. If I pick one up on the way over, can we install it in your driveway? And he said, sure. It's always fun when the brothers pop the hood in the car in the driveway the day after Thanksgiving and replace a battery in a vehicle.
Come on, people. You motherfuckers, this is every fucking day. Expired paper plate 10-4-20. Vehicle is also disabled, I believe, because there's exhaust laying on the ground underneath of it. Expired Illinois plate, April of 2019. Expired April 2019. Expired paper plates, 2 for 1 special.